Do this my way. Lord Jesus. It broke. Guys, I don't even know if I'm doing this right. So, today I am going to attempt making keto tortillas. Now, I don't know how successful I'm going to be. I've never made them. This is my first time making them. So we are about to see what disaster is about to happen. Anyways, like always, I scale my recipe beforehand. In this bowl, I have almond flour, coconut flour. So this is the almond flour, coconut flour. I have husk. I have baking powder, and I have salt. Here I have 1 egg, and in this bowl I have apple cider vinegar and water. The recipe says that I need to mix these together. Now, they did say that I can use a food processor or my hand mixer. I'm gonna go with my hand mixer this time, just because, you know me, I don't like listening to instructions. I really hope this comes out. So anyways, we're gonna mix this together, and then it says to pour the apple cider vinegar in. I'm assuming I pour everything in, but I'm just gonna listen, guys. Okay. Okay. We are all gonna be very surprised at this because the Lord knows I don't know what I'm doing. But let me just follow the instructions as good as I can. Okay, so we're about to add the egg. And we're gonna mix. I don't know where the mixer comes in because this does not look like yeah. Oh. I have to use the mixer now. Listen. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna mix some more just to be sure. I don't know what's happening. I really don't. Like, it feels okay. It feels like a dough. It could work. But then it also says that I need to put it in a plastic wrap and knead. But why? Why can't I just knead on the table? Listen, I don't like these instructions. Why do I have to knead in a plastic wrap? Look, see? The dough's forming. Listen, see? We don't always have to listen to the... Listen, this better come out. Guys, listen. This keto baking, I'm getting used to it, okay? I'm getting used to it. So if this doesn't come out, you already know. Like, okay, I didn't need to knead. Oh. They did say it was going to be like a stress ball. Oh, this is nice. This actually feels really nice. Okay, so the recipe says the dough is gonna be sticky. No. This ain't no sticky dough. Like, what is this? This is like a cookie dough. The recipe says that I need to scale each ball into 26 grams. So, and I'm supposed to only get 8. Yeah. Okay, so I got 8. But the dough ain't sticky. So it says that I need to roll the dough between parchment papers. So I'm assuming because it's such a sticky dough, but this isn't sticky, but it's breaking apart. So I am going to try and get my parchment to roll it to see if this works, because I'm so scared right now. This doesn't resemble anything that the recipe says that it would. And like always, I do whatever I want. I also wanted to add that I have a skillet. This better be a skillet. Because we are going to be cooking it on the skillet. Now, is this gonna work? I don't know. I am so nervous right now. But we're about to roll out, because I have my parchment paper. We're about to roll out the dough in between the parchment, and we're going to transfer it here. It's been heating, so it is hot, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so we have the parchment. Put these off to the side. We're going to take one. I'm just going to only use half of the parchment, so I'm going to fold it in like this so that I don't have to actually I'm going to press. Listen, I don't even know what's happening, y'all. Oh, maybe I need to use the whole one. This is very scary. Like, I love experimenting, but yeah. Like, this is not even round. There's my first one. This is my test dummy. So I'm gonna transfer this to my my skillet. Apparently, right? Listen, I don't even know what's happening. Okay, so we're gonna transfer. Ooh, it's breaking. I don't even know how to transfer. I'm just gonna do this my way. Lord Jesus. It broke. What am I making right now? Like, it's breaking. It's not supposed to break. Okay, I can dig it. No. Let's try this again. You know what I did? I'm gonna tell you what I did. I added 2 together because I found it to be really tiny. But it's tortillas, so you need, right? Hear me out. It's some round cutters. That's really all you need, because you're not gonna roll a perfect circle. I don't know who can do that, because I can't. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your cutter and you're gonna cut your circle out. See? Perfectly round tortillas. Guys, this one is a little better. Maybe I needed to knead it in some more. This transferred easily to my hand, so now we're gonna plop. It's supposed to puff up. See, like right here. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see a little hole, like an air bubble. Oh. Oh! Listen! I'm so excited. Okay. I think that could work for me. I really think that can work for me. I just want to make sure it's cooked completely. But I like it because it's perfectly round. You know, we cheated. But it is what it is. Honestly, guys, I am a little impressed by this. Only because it does have a nice crunch. It's very hard-ish. This is saying it was supposed to puff up. You know, like how wraps puff up? That's what they were saying this was gonna do, but I'm just like, how? Here you have it. My epic fail of a tortilla. But I'm gonna call these my tortilla chips, because I think they came out, even though they weren't quite what I was going for, I think they came out in a sense where I'm not throwing these out. I can eat it. You know what I mean? It's still delicious. It's just not the original thing I was gonna make. So like I said with the dough, you can roll it and cut it however you choose. I just did it round. Don't ask me why, because this is not what I intended to make, okay? But because I went through with it and I made crackers, I made them round. I'm gonna eat this with my tuna fish, but I just wanted to let you hear how it sounds, because there is a bit of a crunch, and I believe if you leave it on the skillet for a little longer, it will become harder. See, I'm not mad at that. It's not super hard, but I'm definitely not mad at that. I'm really not. You know, I'm going to just, I'm gonna break it up like this and scoop my tuna salad. But this is all the joys of baking. It's fun. You experiment. You win some, you lose some. Not everything is perfect. Don't let them fool you. Not everything is perfect. As you can see, I clearly did not make what I intended to make. So I'm going to go back to the drawing board and I'm going to try a different recipe even try to make up my own. I am very new to baking without flour and stuff like that. So this is new to me. You're gonna come on this journey. Hey, a year from now, I could be wicked at this. But I am very new to baking with alternative flours. So this is fail number 500. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share.